Yo, what's up everyone? Buzzy Games Beth here. Today, let's learn how to make a round system. Basically, you start off in a lobby area, and then after a few seconds, everybody will be, teleported to the game area. Now, the red part that you see in my workspace is going to be the lobby area. Now, what we want to do is go ahead and spawn in a part, and go ahead and put it a little above the area that you want to be spawned to. So this is the lobby area, and then do the same thing for your game area, so the blue part for me. So now I have two parts that are spawned directly above the areas that I want to be teleported to. Now go ahead and make sure you anchor both of our parts, and go ahead and untick can collide, so that when our players are teleported to this area, they don't touch this part. They actually go straight down to our game area as well as the lobby area. Now, the part that is above the red part, I'm going to rename to lobby, and then the part above the blue part is going to be game. Now, whatever you guys rename these parts to, just make sure you take a note of them, because we will be referencing that inside of our script in just a second. Now, inside of replicated storage, go ahead and add a string value, rename that to indicator, and then go ahead and add a bool value, and then rename that to rounds. Cool. Sweet. So once that's done, head over to server script servers, and let's go ahead and add a script. We don't need that print statement, so go ahead and feel free to delete it. Alrighty, so we have a few variables. First is going to be our intermission time, our round time, our rounds, and our indicator. Now, for our first function, if the rounds value is equal to true, then our players are going to get teleported to the lobby area. And then, once the time is up, our characters, or the players inside of our game, will be teleported to the game part. Now we're going to go ahead and create a function for our text label. So it's going to, while the rounds value, while we are inside of the lobby area, it's going to say game starting in ... seconds, which is going to be 15. And then once we are inside of the game area, we're going to do the same thing, but this time you see how it says round time. We set round time to equal to 30 seconds, so it's going to go ahead and end there. And then we're going to do task.wait, and then that's about it. I'm actually going to go ahead and change the intermission and round time to 5 seconds so you guys can see the changes. So one more thing, inside of starter GUI, go ahead and add a screen GUI. We're going to go ahead and add a text label. Now this text label is going to show us, how many more seconds are available inside of our lobby area or the game area. Now go ahead and resize, reposition the text label to however you want it to look like. I want it to take up, that half of that screen up there, basically that top screen. I'm going to go ahead and make sure my text is scaled, and then go ahead and change our font. So we actually don't want any text in this label at the moment, so go ahead and delete where it says text. You see how it says label? Go ahead and actually delete that text inside of there, and then go ahead and customize this text label to however you want, but that's about it. Okay, so now inside of our text label, let's go ahead and add a local script. Inside of this script, we have our variable, and essentially just a function that's going to display the indicator value of our either intermission time or our rounds time. And then that's it. So let's, of course, hop inside of our game to test it out. And look at that, it says game starting in 1 more second, and it'll teleport us to the game arena. And it'll tell us how many seconds are actually left inside of our game, and then back inside of our lobby area. So cool. As always, if you guys enjoyed this content, please give us a like and a subscribe. Full scripts and models will actually be on our website, link in our description. So as always, have fun creating, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.